Listen, this is the biggest mistake that most beginners make when start investing online. Did you actually know that most of investing platforms out there were designed for people living in the US? So what if you want to start investing and you don't live in the US? What is the best investing platform to use? Are you a beginner out there and would like to start investing online, but you don't know exactly where to start, or you find it difficult to choose the best or the right investing platform? Why not? Because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly the best and the friendly investing platform that you can start using as a beginner. As you can see, I personally has been investing on this platform for more than 3 years. Therefore, I'm super excited sharing my personal experience with this platform. So without wasting much of time, let's start. Hey guys, my name is Baraka Mke and you are welcome to Entrepreneur Mindset, the community of like-minded individuals like you who are ready to be inspired, learn and earn. So before we continue, I would like to just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm that guy who doesn't like things that are complex. I just like things that are very easy to understand. Therefore, on this channel, expect videos that will be more practical and very easy to understand. Now, before we dive deep into this platform, here's the quick disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by any of the platform mentioned, and the information shared in this video should not be taken as a financial advice, because this is just my personal research and experience as an investor that has been active investing on this platform for more than 3 years. By the way, I've also got a chance to attend some of the events that have been organized by this platform. So are you guys ready to know the platform that I personally use and I recommend this platform to all beginners out there who want to start investing online? Well, you are correct. It's Etoro. Etoro is one of my favorite investing platforms, and I personally enjoy investing on this platform. If this is your first time to hear about Etoro, well, let's first understand what exactly Etoro is and what makes Etoro so popular and unique from different platforms. Believe me, by the end of this video, you will get to understand better if this Etoro is the best and the right investing platform for you. Well, Etoro is simply a social trading platform with over than 30 million users worldwide, and Etoro gives you also a chance to invest in different kinds of assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, commodities, and so many others. One of the features that makes this platform so unique and popular is that it's a trading platform. This means that it's like a Facebook or Instagram. You can have a chance to see what other professional investors are doing, and you can also chat to them, text them messages, see what they're doing, and you can also copy their investing or their strategies. Another good news with this platform is that you don't need a lot of money to start investing on this platform. You can start with as less as $50 deposit. Listen, don't let anyone intimidate you on investing online, because on Etoro, you can start investing with zero experience. All what you need to do is just go on the platform, start learning, read some comments. When I started investing on this platform, I started as a brand new beginner. I knew nothing about investing online. I knew nothing about stocks. I knew nothing about analyzing the market. As you can see, I spent the full year on this platform without doing anything, without investing, just learning, reading the comments that professional investors are talking about the market. I was trying to learn before I start investing. So you can also start just open the brokerage account and learn, see what other professional investors are doing. You don't have to start directly investing. You have to first learn and understand how the market works, how you can start copying investors. Well, in my opinion, I believe that Etoro is the great investing platform for all investors, especially for beginners that are just starting out. On this platform, you don't need to have a lot of experience on analyzing the market or knowing how to invest on stock market. You can actually copy professional investors and you make money when they make money. Therefore, if I was able to learn everything by myself, I believe that you can also learn everything on this platform. Wait, before I forget, I would like to tell you that in the coming videos that I'll be posting on this channel, I'll be showing you step by step how you can start investing on Etoro as a beginner, and how you can find the nice professional investors to start copying. And the most important thing, I'll be showing you my own personal portfolio. I'll be showing you how I invest on this platform. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you have some questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I promise you, I'll be reading your comments and I'll be answering them. Until next time, ciao ciao.